In this video, I'm going to show you how to create relationships in Adalo. Before building one, it's important to understand what relationships are and the three types Adalo provides. The first type is one-to-many, where one category can have multiple subcategories. A simple example is Gmail labels. One email can belong to several categories. Another example is a course called Introduction to Data Science, which can also be part of a full computer science program and a statistics program at the same time. The second type is many-to-one, which works the opposite way. For instance, in a task management app, one employee can have multiple tasks, but each task can only be completed by one employee. The third type is many-to-many, such as students and subjects. A student can take multiple subjects, and each subject can be taken by many students. In my example, I'm creating a many-to-one relationship where a user can have multiple tasks, and each task belongs to one user. On my screen, I already have a list connected to my tasks database. To build the relationship, click the database icon on the left and find the two collections you want to link. I'm using users and tasks. Inside the user's database, click Add Property, hover over Relationship, and choose the database you want to connect with, which in my case is tasks. When Adalo asks you which relationship type to create, select Many-to-One and click Done. The relationship will now appear inside both collections. To test this, I'll open my tasks records. I currently have one task. To assign it to someone, I'll open the user dropdown and select John's email, then click Save. Now, if I go into the user's database and open John's record, you will see that the task is now associated with him. I want John's full name to appear under the task on my task list, so I'll select my list component, open the subtitle section, click Magic Text, hover over User, and choose Full Name. This tells Adalo to show the assigned user's name under each task. Once everything is set up, open the preview and refresh the page. You'll now see John Smith appearing below the task he is assigned to. You can repeat this process for all your tasks. If your project also uses filters along with relationships, such as showing books based on selected categories, we have a complete separate video on filtering lists in Adalo that walks through that process in detail. You can find it by searching how to filter a list in Adalo along with our channel name. And this is how you can create relationships in Adalo.